Hi everyone, this is Mary again at Northwest Sewing Center. Wanted to invite you to an event that we have in July. It's Christmas in July. It's a wonderful sewing event we'll be hosting here at our store. Paula Bromwell, she's an Embellish educator. She will be here for the event. She's a great teacher. And if you come to the event, you also get a free gift valued at $200. You'll be learning a lot. And on July 16th from 9 to 5, we'll be sewing the stocking. You're going to learn a lot about sewing, quilting, embroidery, embellishments. So we'll be doing this on Sunday. And then, on Saturday on July 16th. On Sunday, July 17th, we'll be doing the Griswold pillow. You'll learn to do chenille and use a lot of different types of applique and quilting, embroidery. So we'll be doing that on Sunday. And when you come to the event, we'll be doing a drawing for some giveaways. So you'll be eligible to win one of the License to Create projects that we have here. And in the front of the table, we have lots of samples that you can make with the License to Create project. You also will also be having these two door prizes as well. So we'll have a lot of fun. The machines will be furnished for you. We'll have food and just learn a lot of different techniques and have a good time. If you have any questions, give us a call at 512-459-3961. And our address again is 5448 Burnett Road, Northwest Sewing Center.